For the first part of digestion, the food is ingested into the mouth, and mechanical digestion occurs in the teeth, which grind the food into smaller particles for the purpose of increasing surface area while the food is being mashed up by the teeth. And saliva is stimulated in the mouth, which contains mucus cells and water. And the salivary amylase enzymes found in saliva hydrolyze starch and glycogen polysaccharides into maltose or disaccharides. And after this, the tongue rolls food into bolus and pushes it into the pharynx. And then the pharynx opens to the esophagus and the trachea, and the food moves down the esophagus into the stomach. And as you can see here, these is the more specific parts of the stomach. And in the stomach releases gastric juices and mixes it with the pepperoni pizza into a mixture called chyme. And the gastric juices consist of two components, including HCl and pepsin. And then after this, the pepperoni pizza moves into the first part of the small intestine, which is known as the duodenum. In the duodenum, the food is broken down with enzymes including secretin and choline. And while this is happening, the pancreas aids in digestion by releasing sodium bicarbonate, which is a buffer, and that restores pH to higher levels by releasing trypsin and chymotrypsin. And then after this, the pizza travels down to the second and third parts of the small intestine, which include the jejunum and the ileum, which function mainly in the absorption of nutrients and water. And then this region contains villi and microvilli, which increase surface area and enhance absorption. And as you can see here, these are the more specific parts of this part of the system. And after this, the this goes down into the T-shaped junction, and down into the large intestine. And at the T-shaped junction, the long arm is considered the colon, while the small pouch is called the celium, and in which ferments ingested material with finger line extension called the appendix. And the colon recovers water that enters the alimentary canal, and feces solidifies and moves through the colon. And the large intestine ends with the rectum, where feces is stored until it can be removed through the anus.